Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today we're looking at exactly how to supercharge your Kodi setup using Premiumize. If you're looking to permanently kill streaming latency and really get the absolute most out of your media center, a clean, effective installation is absolutely key. So let's dive right in and walk through how it all works.
Here's a quick look at our agenda for today. We'll be covering the Premiumize advantage, security and VPN prerequisites, adding the source URL, installing the repository, and finally, configuring your account.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the Premiumize advantage.
Now we've all been there, right? You sit down with your popcorn ready for movie night, and every 5 minutes the stream just pauses to buffer. Honestly, it's the ultimate mood killer. The problem is that free links just choke under heavy traffic, completely bottlenecking your high-definition streams and ruining the whole viewing experience.
Well, Premiumize solves this directly. It acts as a premium file locker. When you implement Premiumize on your Kodi setup, you are essentially connecting to a massive hub of over 15 different premium file hosts and servers. This unlocks immense, unrestricted bandwidth for you. It brings torrent support, proxy servers for different countries, and ultimately flawless, buffer-free HD playback. It's a real game changer.
So, what does this actually cost? Premiumize has a very transparent tiered pricing structure for all these premium features. You can test the waters with 1 month for €10, scale up to 3 months for €25, or just lock in 12 months for €70. Now, it is worth noting that for budget-conscious users who don't necessarily need the proxy servers or torrent support, Real Debrid acts as a basic, somewhat cheaper alternative. But for sure, if you want the full suite of premium features, Premiumize is the ultimate upgrade.
Moving right along to Section 2, security and VPN prerequisites.
This part is absolutely crucial. While Premiumize actually includes a built-in VPN specifically for its own add-on, it leaves the rest of your Kodi traffic totally exposed. That makes a system-wide VPN, like IPVanish for example, practically mandatory if you want to securely navigate public Wi-Fi, bypass global geoblocks, and, hide your browsing history from prying eyes like your ISP or hackers. Always secure your perimeter first.
Okay, Section 3, adding the source URL. Let's get into the deployment. First things first, before you even touch Kodi, make sure you've actually registered and subscribed at premiumize.me/register. Once you're all set there, boot up Kodi, hit that gear icon to open your system settings, and jump into your file manager. That's the one represented by the little folder icon. A new window will pop up where you'll click Add Source to start linking everything together. Listen up, because this is where a lot of installations actually fail. When the prompt asks for the URL path, you absolutely must type it exactly as http://kodi.premiumize.me without the S at the end of HTTP. If you add the S here, the source just won't resolve correctly. Once you've got that typed perfectly, just name the media source something recognizable like Premiumize and save it.
Next up, Section 4, installing the repository.
All right, jump back out to your main Kodi home screen, hit Add-ons, click the little open box icon up in the upper left corner, and choose Install from zip file. Go ahead and find that Premiumize folder you just made a second ago, open it up, select the zip file, and just give the system a second or two to confirm the installation. Once you see that notification pop up, flip over to Install from repository, drill down into the Premiumize video add-ons folder, and grab the actual Premiumize cloud add-on.
And finally, Section 5. Configuring your account.
Don't back out of that menu just yet. Click on the Premiumize Cloud add-on once more, select Configure, and drop in your specific customer ID and PIN. You'll grab those from your initial web registration.
Now here's a funny little twist compared to what we did earlier. In this configuration screen, you absolutely must toggle Use HTTPS to On. Yeah, I know, earlier we avoided it like the plague, but here, if you forget it, the entire add-on fails to communicate securely and won't execute properly. So toggle it on, hit OK, and you are ready to launch directly from your main add-ons tab.
Boom, you are done. You've successfully implemented Premiumize and unlocked a whole new world of flawless, buffer-free streaming. But remember, a premium highway needs a bulletproof vehicle. Always double-check that your system-wide VPN is active before you start watching.